Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have all of my new blow molds out. I got these this year from Walmart, and we we ended up getting every one they were selling. Sometimes when they sell things, and if you don't buy it, the next year they're gone. That's it. They're done. That's it. So we got them all. I love them. This is day 23 of the Advent calendar that J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley and I are all doing together. You want to be sure to go to each of the channels and see what they get today or all month if you haven't seen. And I'm going to open today the last package from Tammy Powley. We know who the items are from by the wrapping paper. Let's open this up and see what I got. These gifts have been, oh my gosh, I am just over the moon at what I got. I'm going to show you my dolls dressed in these items coming up, and we will show that at the end. I appreciate everybody who's come, especially those that have come daily to watch our videos. Oh, Tammy. Oh, fancy pants. How cute is this? Tammy, you are so cute. Tammy Powley is not just cute to look at. She has a personality. She's just funny. I love her. Aren't these cute? She handcrafts these little underpants, panties. These are panties because they're cute. She handcrafts these. She also has a tutorial on her site where she teaches people how to make these. That's been a while ago. I'd say I'd link it below, but I'm not sure I'd find it. If you go to Tammy's channel and look in her videos, you will find it. Thank you, Tammy. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Again, please go see the other ladies opening their Advent. There's a lot of Advent on YouTube that you can go watch that are doll related and a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe on all 4 channels.